All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you're ever wondering how Nick opens his can of beans at work for lunch, well, there you have it. Take a bandsaw. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I think I might have just said that. So if you remember yesterday, got all the wire pulled in the rooms, or in this room specifically, but went ahead today and stuck all the wires in the boxes with the MC connectors. Got everything strapped up and ready to go. For sheetrock and stuff like that in this room. Got all the switch legs and stuff like that strapped up as well. Got the wire underneath the low voltage panel coiled up. Got everything nice running down the walls, strapped like I said already, strap tucked in the box. We had to take a corner real quick, we just did a little loop-de-loop. Other than that, moving on, this is basically just all the stuff that we did today. Showing you each box that's completed. This is not mine. I think this one was mine, but anyways, I'll show you Nick's here in a second. I think making up some of his first boxes as an apprentice, and he did a really good job, so I'm proud of him. This is Nick's ugly baby, as he called it. Kind of just strapped it wrong, so it kind of looks all wonky and whatnot, but so that was kind of funny. And then this kind of dove a little bit early right there, but might have to work on the eye. That's probably out of wire, so it's probably stuck like that. But anyways, live and learn. So the first unit we kind of took lessons, or kind of taught Nick like what to do, what not to do. So the second unit turned out a lot better. This is one of my boxes that I was kind of proud of because it didn't turn out super ugly. I had one box that was really ugly today for makeup, but I was like, whatever. But anyways, moved down the dryer boxes, stuck those in. Got the bathroom home run right here. Got the vanity light right here. The plug-in lighted mirror. Didn't finish quite. This is about the only thing left in this room is plugging these wires in this box, making that up. And then also there's one more plug right down here that Nick didn't get to finish, which is right below the panel. I think I just passed it. But anyways, other than that, I got the low voltage panel wire right there again. Walking on the hallway and going into the bedrooms. So everything in here I'm pretty sure is done. I had to add this box back because they took it off the wall, and then match that up with the low voltage as best as I could, so they should be pretty even. And then got these going, and then I will show you Nick's box here in a second. Going back down the hallway, and these are the single bedroom units, same as yesterday. Here's one of Nick's first boxes right here. It turned out really nice. Pretty proud of him. Just teaching him how to make up switch boxes. He already knows kind of how to do plugs because we installed plugs at the other place, if you remember that. But just teaching him how to do things. So it kind of took a while to explain things, trying to explain how to do three-ways and stuff like that. So I actually couldn't really find any diagrams online of how to explain it. I knew how to explain it, but not the best. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. I'm here over at my friend's house. So anyways, had a really nice day at work. I'm sorry, this is just gonna be pitch black me talking, but anyways, had a really nice day. Super excited to come to my friend's house. So it was pretty much one of the best days ever at work, or one of the best moods I've ever been in. So that was fun. My coworkers say it usually takes me about 7.5 to 8 hours a day to warm up and get happy, which is usually the time that I go home. So I thought that was pretty funny. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Sorry for the late upload. I had to drive to my friend's house, which took like an hour and a half. So anyways, that should do it. And I was going to say something else, but this is my 1000th video, so I'm pretty proud of that. I was going to try to make like a cool like flashback memory video, but I didn't get quite to that. Still working on a whole bunch of stuff with the house and stuff like that. Having to sign a few more papers, and I'll have to do another final walkthrough eventually. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out. God bless.